Hi, I'm
Hi.
Kurt,
Hi, I'm Connor. I'm Jen.
and we have been full-time RVing for just over a year now. This is Buddy back here,
Whining.
whining in his kennel, and we are in the southern Oregon, well, woods, right on the Cheyenne River, I think it is. Cheyenne River, something like that.
That's water.
Yeah, water over there. So just want to talk about our first year of full-time RVing and our 1-year anniversary of YouTube. I'm going to bring Buddy out so he stops whining. So Connor, what have you enjoyed about your first year?
I don't know.
You don't know, okay. How about seeing different places?
I like Joshua.
Joshua Tree and Carlsbad Caverns, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And dear, what have you enjoyed?
I just like having our stuff with us everywhere we go.
I'd agree
Yeah.
with that.
I will agree on that too.
So,
Because when we were staying in, we have stayed in a few corporate housing places, and you always inevitably forget something, or you have to use something that belongs to somebody else, or that has been rented, and you know, it's just not your stuff. So sometimes you just really like having your own stuff, you know. So that's what I enjoy about it.
I would say I enjoy the same thing. You know, before we started traveling full time together 2 years ago, I'd be gone during the week and only home for about a day and a half on the weekends since I travel for work. So it's just nice to have the family with us now. The first year we spent in corporate housing, and then a year ago we decided to buy a RV. So I guess it's actually a year and 3 months ago.
Yeah.
But we just received the email, I believe it was yesterday or this morning, that we had our 1-year YouTube anniversary. We have gained 224 subscribers. So thank you 224 times. And
Slowly but surely it's growing, right?
Yep, slowly but surely it's growing. Look forward to the next year and what the next year brings for us. Obviously right now it's coronavirus and all that stuff going on, so our travel's been limited, but
Yeah.
it's been a good year so far. And look forward to the months to come and the year to come.
Yeah, absolutely.
So from us to you, happy anniversary. And
thanks for watching.
yeah, thanks for watching. Look forward to putting out more videos for you, more RV park reviews, hopefully more national parks this year.
Once they open up.
Yeah, once they open up. And certainly more RV DIY videos.
Ooh, that was a big bug.
Big bugs. All right, guys. Thanks.
Thanks again.
Bye.
Bye.